Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding at home with custard powder. Start by measuring 500 ml milk, 50 g sugar, and 40 g custard powder, then mix into a smooth slurry. Heat remaining milk gently while stirring, then whisk in the slurry until it thickens. Remove from heat, stir in butter and vanilla, cool slightly, then chill for a set, creamy pudding ready to enjoy with toppings. Begin by making a lump-free slurry with custard powder and cold milk, then set it aside. Warm the rest of the milk until it steams, keeping the heat moderate to prevent scorching. Slowly whisk the slurry into the warm milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens to pudding consistency. Finish with a knob of butter and a splash of vanilla, then transfer to bowls and cool for a silky, stable dessert. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and save spills when transporting pudding for picnics or lunches. They stack well and keep desserts fresh. I find them perfect for portioning servings and gifting homemade pudding. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Experiment with textures and flavors to suit your tastes and occasions. Swap some milk for cream to create a richer, silkier pudding, or fold in melted chocolate or fruit puree for variety. Sweeten to taste and adjust vanilla or spices like cinnamon for complexity. Remember to strain if any lumps form, and chill until set for neat slices, or serve warm for a spoonable, comforting treat that everyone can enjoy instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.